Hello everyone, this is my Ford Tractor 640. Today I'm going to install a part I ordered from Amazon. It's a USB 2 USB port socket similar to your to the car for the cars, but this manufacturer says this is for the lawn mowers and tractors or commercial vehicles. So I ordered this so I can, while I'm working with my tractor, I can charge my phone. But the good part of this socket is it has two ports, each is 5 volt and 2.4 amps, altogether 4.8. The good part is this socket has a display to show the voltage, current voltage. So that's the one I want to install, and I want to get rid of this old style dial one. The reason is both are made of China, so there's no reason to say this is original and that is original, but I want to see if this lasts and doesn't cause any short circuit or anything. However, it has a plug to close the port when you are not using, so in the rain or some not good environment you can still protect these ports. So I'm going to show you how I'm going to use. So for temporarily I still have this old gauge installed, but this one I installed is very simple. The yellow wire, crocodile wire, the connector is connected to this the socket, but the other end is basically next to the switch, after the switch, so not before the switch. So when I will turn on the switch, this is connected to the positive, and this black one is connected to the negative ground of the battery right here. If you see this another clip, so that's how it is right now. Switch is on, tractor is off, so you don't see anything. I'm going to plug this a little bit back so you should be able to see. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to turn on the switch only, so it will have a battery power, and then second step I will start the tractor. Okay, so this one shows 12.0 volts directly from the battery. There's no function of the alternator at this moment, but once I'll start it, then you will see it. I'm going to hold this with one hand so it won't fall inside the inside the tractor. I just want to hold, so I'm going to start with one hand, so let's check. That's all. So it looks like it works. So there's no guesswork right this moment, and 14.2 volts mean it's charging, I believe. So I would like your comments, whoever has expertise or some more knowledge about electrical, give me a hint, but this is how I'm going to install. That's all.